Good morning, YouTube. We is out and about. We is here in Alachua, picking up my partner, helper, all that good stuff. Joe, so we can get the day started. It's Friday. I just left getting me some coffee from Browns and some breakfast. I normally don't do breakfast, but it's Friday. Why not? So today, trying to pack out today. Supposed to be headed to Columbus, Georgia tomorrow to race some RC cars for fun. I should stay home and make some money, but sometimes you gotta do some stuff that you just like to do. So it's like a 4.5 hour drive. I think I might head to Atlanta as well, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. But anyway, today we got like a pack list, of course, and I'm just gonna take y'all around, give y'all a little tour of everything. Not really do like before and afters and things. Well, I mean, probably put some before and afters in there, but you know, just show y'all my day and get to it. So let's go. All right, guys, we on location, about to get ready to knock this van out. This one of the first things we got to do today. I thought I turned these windshield wipers off. Let me go ahead and get these windshield wipers turned off, but this thing pretty dusty and dirty today. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all the outside on this one. Not gonna get all into the inside, but y'all can see this is one of the mini projects we got today, and we gotta keep going into it. We got Joe over here rinsing it off currently. I gotta get my my rain boots on. Got all kind of stuff in this truck everywhere. I went racing last night, of course, so all my gear is still stuck in the truck. But anyway, dump these out. Get ready to get it popping today. It's on and popping today. I want to get this thing washed first, because it was pretty dusty and dirty, like more than usual. So want to make sure we get it cleaned up on the outside first, because I don't want to get on the inside, because I already know it's going to take a little bit of time. So at the end, I just want to leave. Normally we do the inside first, but not today. What's up, y'all? We back to another location. I didn't get the after on the van because we was in a rush and I had some stuff going on, but we got an Audi right here that we about to get ready to do. I'm gonna show you around it. It's just kind of dusty. It's gonna be like a freshen out detail, so something simple, not a basic, a little bit more. So let me take you around it and then try to get you after this time for real. So what we got going on here. Got the bug. The inside wasn't that bad, but I'll show it to you, show you it wasn't that bad. Gotta get this stuff out of the cracks and crevices right there and just kind of vacuum around, but it's a freshen up detail. Ain't too much that we can do to it, but makes it a little right for the weekend. Put the tire shine on it, so we're gonna get it going.
No, sorry. Kill this track. Kill this track. Kill this track.
What's up, y'all? We is back. Got a couple of things we fixing up on the Audi, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got in the meantime. In between time, take you around it. So this is it. Got it all nice and sparkly clean. Got all the bugs and stuff off of it. Had a little drip. Show y'all the inside. Got all this, some of the trash and stuff out. Got the cup holder. Y'all can see all the cracks and crevices blown out. Got everything looking nice. All right, so this is another Audi that we done did. Well, added to the list, so gonna keep on moving for the day. Today, they was actually grilling over here. I'm over at the Coral King, so if y'all need any, saltwater tank stuff, if you got a saltwater aquarium at the house, come check them out. It's a good customer of mine. They giving me free hot dogs today, so I'm about to eat and make it happen. But on to the next, and we'll see what the day brings. What's up, y'all? Bright and sunny on another location. We out here closer to yoga, about to do this Lincoln Aviator. Jordan got it started. I had some phone calls to make, so did that. What we currently looking like. It's got a little dog hair in it, so well, apparently it's a lot of dog hair in it, so we gonna definitely knock this thing out and make it pretty, but at least it don't have a lot of stains and stuff. But definitely need some wiping done to it. Let's get these seats up. Yep, but the back, it's yeah, this is rough. This ain't a little bit of dog hair, actually. It's gonna take some time, but we'll get it done. So this is what it's currently looking like. I'm not liking it, but it's just another one of the things that's on the list. I think this is gonna be it for me today. I got a lot to do and some places to go, so we'll get to it. Let's go.